Good evening, and thank you for returning to Wealthy Coin. You are about to become a tycoon because to Binance cost drain, Shiba Inu updates as the symbolic charges increased for a sixth meeting on Tuesday. Shiba was among the notable gainers. Just one day after trading at a low of 863 cents, SHIB soared to a high of 959 cents earlier in the day. The most recent surge in value caused the Shiba Inu to reach its highest peak since December 5. A vertical combination of the 10-day and 25-day moving midpoints preceded the current arrangement. This video will go over the latest Shiba Inu news, as well as the Binance cost knock that can turn you into a tycoon. Make sure you subscribe to our feed to receive the latest content about Shiba Inu value, expectations, and master investigation. And don't forget to crush approve, share, and subscribe. All right, let's get the video started. According to Shiba Inu Food, Binance removed an enormous 12.6 trillion worth of SHIB tokens from the Shiba Swap decentralized trading pool, according to a Twitter account that follows the cremation of Shiba Inus. The largest digital currency exchange transferred 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens from the Shiba Swap marking pool after Binance unstaked the K9-themed cryptographic money. At the time of the trade, $16.23 million was equivalent to 12.6 trillion SHIB. This, even though the marking pool had more than 12.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens removed, the main crypto trade with SHIB marking on Shiba Swap was far from over. As Shiba Burn reported, Binance subsequently restated or 4 trillion SHIB, which is equivalent to $36.2 million, on stage. The trade did, in fact, transfer a 4 trillion worth of SHIB tokens to an anonymous wallet before returning them to the Shiba Swap marking pool. Additionally, the Shiba Burn tracker revealed that there are currently 1 trillion SHIB marked in the marking pool. Notably, the Consume Tracker is making an effort to educate members of the Shiba Inu people group, which coincides with the declaration made by Shiba Burn. The most important comment was made by a powerful Shiba Inu. Shiba BPP reports that Binance's Shiba Swap wallet was active when the Shiba Inu gang launched their defiance stage. Shiba BPP has observed that Binance uses the wallet to allocate prizes to its customers, ensure incentives, and mark SHIB in the marking pool. Shiba Inu announced a one-of-a-kind version event where the Bugatti Group would host a mint gathering dedicated to the entities of the biological system, often referred to as Kiasos. To our most enthusiastic and loyal SHIB token holders, who are also NFT starting holders, the organization will deliver tangible goods and collectible Fs. A total of 299 deliveries will be handled by the Binance version, according to the organization. The first release will be particularly unique, with a mint cost of 0.14 ET. With 95% of the relative mints, a Bugatti Group crossbody limited edition gear bundle will be available, while 15 lucky locals will split a portable item from the same Bugatti Group that will go to 5% of the related mint count. However, the reclamation port will open 7 days after the mint interaction closes, and the stamping entry will go live during the Twitter Spaces event. On January 15th, there will be a gathering on Twitter for Shiosi and Bugatti. The price of a Shiba Inu is now trading near the top of a falling wedge. This comes after a failed attempt to bypass the examples barrier, resulting in a 66.62% increase to 158 cents. The top pattern line of the example is supported by the 100-day amazing moving average at $0.956 and the problematic obstruction at $0.9956. The Shiba Inu price gets the much-needed support from the 5-day exponential moving average, EMA, at $0.882, which will allow it to accumulate enough liquidity for the next breakout attempt. With the moving average convergence divergence, MACD indicator displaying a buy signal, bulls may soon begin to push for the upturn's resume. Further supporting the optimistic stance on the Shiba Inu cost is the continuing development of the MACD above the main line, as well as the dissimilarity shaped by the blue line from the red line. Because of this, the question of whether or not the falling wedge can be broken may become more relevant to the timing of the break. Remember, the event of the Xiaoxi and Bugatti gathering on Twitter is only 4 days away, which could attract more financial backers to SHIB. You might want to consider placing your purchase orders over the wedge pattern or alternatively the 100-day exponential moving average, EMA, whichever you prefer. To address a 66.62% change, recovery over the example is expected to surge strongly to $0.158. Taking the distance between the two greatest points of the wedge and extrapolating it over the breakout point is the objective equivalence. As the Shiberia convention winds down, the Shiba people group eagerly awaits its farewell. Expectations for its release rose sharply towards the end of 2022, but the redesign has been marred by setbacks. While maintaining a direct link to the Ethereum organization, Shiberia will expand SHIB's adaptability. As far as Shiberia is concerned, the Shiba Improvement Group monitors it. An upcoming Layer 2 blockchain configuration. The locals are hoping that it will be quite near to 2023, but no official launch date has been announced as of yet. Once again, Shiba Inu is riding high, and it's one of the digital currencies that most retail investors are keeping an eye on. The continuous year-to-date gain for SHIB reaches over 14% on January 11, thanks to a 5.6% 24-hour movie. Cryptos, and image tokens in particular, are soaring in value right now for a variety of reasons. In terms of this year's flooding resource costs, these resources are generally considered to be high beta options. More speculative resources are being pulled up from their lows on the assumption that borrowing costs could reach their terminal rate in the first half of the year before a reprieve. Shiba Inu has witnessed increased revenue from whales, with a $28.7 million transaction this month. Because only a small fraction of the population owns a critical mass of SHIB and most cryptocurrencies, these kinds of actions can cause a token's value to fluctuate wildly. Many investors will be keeping a close eye on this crucial variable. The tokenomics perspective adds to the project's allure because to Shiba Inu's metaverse send-off and its eventual send-off Shiberia, which will use tokens for every organization-wide exchange. Shiba Inu is no longer a little cryptocurrency token. Its valuation is over $5 billion. Therefore, it's quite unlikely that it will undergo another multi-million rate run anytime soon, as doing so would catapult the task's price into the fantastical realm. Assuming Shiba Inu can